Hey my fellows, today it's a special day because today I will unbox the box which you all been waiting for. Like I promised you, it's a box with a special. It's from my friend Cody. I think you know Codas. Yeah, she's my friend, and let's just say she had a school dog and now I have him. And I've waited for this school dog for like 3 years, cause not for the shipping. It's because, you know, I loved that school dog since I saw it, and that was 3 years ago. I always wanted to buy the school dog, but I never had the chance to ask her cause I was scared that she would say no, cause it was her favorite fursuit. And then 3 years later, now a month or 2 months, no, actually 3 months ago, or 2 months, I don't know anymore. Anyways, I had the courage to ask her because she had, like, she's got a lot of fursuits now, and I thought she's not doing anything with the school anymore, like not so much. And then I thought, okay, I can ask her. And then I finally asked her, and she was like, she would love to sell him to me because she knows how I love him because we had contact these 3 years. It's a actually long story, and I think you don't want to hear it because you want to see me unboxing this baby. His name is Jobey. He's a really beautiful skull dog. Like literally, he was my favorite skull dog of all the skull dogs, and I always wanted to have one. And I was in love with him since I saw him on TikTok. So yeah, now I got him, and now we will unbox him. But anyways, Cody wanted to give the skull dog to another person. Oh, and it's a bit a difficult thing to say, but there were a lot of versions of Jobey. There were version 1, which is this one, version 2.0, and version 3.0, and version 4.0. The names are a bit complicated and mixed, because yeah. And I loved every version of him, but like the white version I didn't love that much. That's why I didn't put it in the video. But like the other versions I just loved. Like for example, version 1 and version 4. These two versions are my favorite versions of Jobey. Like version 4.0 and version 4.01. Because I called it that. It's not the real name of the version, but you know, I got confused between the versions because there were so many. Yeah, and Cody told me that I can have the 4.0 version, but I can't because she needs to ask her friend, which was going to buy Jobey 3.0. And she said, yeah, it's mine, I paid for it, and you can't have it. And I was like, it looks different than the 3.0. Why can't I have the 4.0? But okay. And then her friend, which was about to buy him, told me, yeah, we have money problems, and because of that I want to give you Jobey because I know you love him a lot and you're so obsessed with him like I am, and that's why I wanted to give him into good hands and give him a new home like yours, because I know you will love him and take care of him. And I was like, I was so happy, like I was so flattered that she said that, because yeah, I'm also sorry for my bad English. Apologize to all the Americans. But yeah, it was. And if you're watching this, Cody and her friend, thank you. And then we paid like, I think 800 or more, because the shipping was a lot of money. The shipping was $260, no, $270. I don't know anymore, but the shipping was extremely expensive. But that was because we got express shipping and also security shipping, you know, that it's secured. I don't know how to say this in English, but anyways, and now he's here. And when he came, I just flipped out. I was like, I can show you the video here. I was really like,
my baby boy is
God,
here.
the package is here.
Guys,
like,
my baby boy is here,
Is-
finally. Oh my gosh, and Codas did a great job on this. I will unbox this in a video. On YouTube, but not now. But I'm so excited.
I was so happy. And then I sent it immediately Codas a video that Jobey is here, and then I will definitely unbox him. So now we're here. I'm sorry for the whole storyline. I think you already skipped it, but anyways, we're here now, and we will unbox him. We will unbox him now. I think the shipping things I won't cut out because you don't have to see my number and now everything's away. There is written express. Like, isn't that cute? She told me she didn't draw that, but I lost the motion. That's okay. Yeah. Anyways, thank you so much, Cody. I couldn't believe it that I have to. It's difficult to cut, extremely difficult to cut this thing off. But I try my best without hurting my baby. I think this will be my main skill though. Or my main sona in general. For now. Because my main sona is Jobey and Twister. I think about this. Because I paid a lot for it. It's just so difficult. Okay guys, bye. Okay. Oh my gosh, first of all, I told her because she wanted to make me the Joker of Jobey, because he got a Joker sewn by her. And I told her because she didn't get time to make me the Joker again, so she just gave me the fabric, and like it is really a lot of fabric. Like, look at this. It's a lot. And it's that beautiful fabric which isn't fur, but isn't all wet. Isn't fur and isn't fabric. It's a fabric with so much fur. And I love that. It's just so exciting. I think these are the ears. I think these are the ears. Oh my god. Because I bought his ears from the 4.0 version. Because I want to make the 1.0 version and the 4.0 version, but I got now the 3.0 version. So she gave me the 3.0 version. It's always Jobey, like, it's always Jobey. She just had one skull log and made all the versions out of that one skull log, and that one skull log is this one. So Jobey is mine now. And I will make the 1.0 version and then the 4.0 version out of it. But first I will have fun with the 3.0 version, because that one is also beautiful. But I miss the old floppy ears of the 1.0 version. But anyways, she gave me the ears from the 4.0 version with... because these ears are just so... These are butt ears. I bought the ears and I bought the Joker, but I need to sew it myself because she didn't get time. And the head. These are the ears of the 4.0 version. This one. It's my favorite version, so... Oh my god, guys. They're so big. They're so big. I need to fix them a little bit, but they're so big. Like, just look at that. They're so freaking big. What? I didn't order paws. Like, for real. Is this her? Oh my god, is she serious? She gave me her paws with... Okay, I didn't pay for the paws, but she just gave me the paws. Even though I've made paws, especially for Jobey, so I thought, yeah, when I get him, I haven't got any paws. That's why I make the paws of the 4.0 version myself. And that's why I made these paws myself. With the claws. I spent a whole night on making them. But like, these are really the claws of the 4.0 version of Jobey. Like, here you can see a video, like a TikTok of Cody with these paws on, but they're not as exactly the same. These are made by me. I just made it same as she did. I made the same paws. But now she gave me paws, and now I don't know which one I should wear on Halloween. But anyways, this is just so fucking exciting. Like, for real now, thank you so much, Cody, that you gave me these for free. It's a bit difficult to come in because you have a lot of fabric here. Okay, did it a bit. They're actually pretty cute, but difficult to wear because there's a lot of punch. But they're so amazing. Thank you so much, Cody. I don't know what I should say. You're just too kind, really. I will make my hair new today because they're awful as fuck. So I'm making pink and black and fluffy because these are nothing anymore. So anyways, last but not least, the final part, the most important part. The head. I'm like really so excited. Oh my gosh. I never had a skull. And I will never give him away anymore. This is my baby now. Like, for real, guys, I've waited so long to buy this guy, and the money was definitely worth it. Actually, I need to say something. I promised Cody to say nothing, but I need to say it because it was work. When he came the first time, I looked inside the box because I was so curious. Yeah, I saw him before I unboxed him. I looked inside the box and I saw that the jaw was broken, so I fixed it. But now he's working and I'm just so happy. Like, for real. Skull dogs are so cool. I didn't know how they work with the mouth, but now I know. I can show you what I fixed. Okay, let's show you. Here the paint job is a bit broken because, you know, the shipping is like, this mask came from, I think Canada. And then he came to Italy. So it was a lot of like, he made a whole world tourney. So yeah, you know, that's why he broke, you know, here. Like, I think he said it's here. Yes, it was here. You know, I cut the fabric away because I need to fix this. You see, here? It was a bit difficult because the black thing was here broken. And then I fixed it and the mouth was like here. And that was a problem. But then I got an idea and glued the black piece here on the black piece. So I know I glued it wrong, but like the mouth is in general, the plastic is a bit more on this side, so I needed to fix it to glue it wrong. But now it goes again, like it's working. And also here the springs are working. Everything works again because I fixed him. It was a lot of work, as I said. But now he's like really fully fixed. I just need to maybe put more springs in it than two. But anyways, I will also fix his fur a bit, so here where I cut it off. And also I will sew his other fur a bit because here it's a bit broken, but otherwise I'm just so happy with him. And also I will do the paint job new because you see it's all because of the shipping, and yeah, that's all I want. I'm so happy. So this is the 3.0 version. I will make a few TikToks with this version. Sorry for my English. But I will make the 1.0 version out of it, and then the 4.0 as the final version. And I love the 4.0 version. Like, it's the most beautiful version with the other ears, you know. Hey guys, I show you how he will look like with the different ears. Yeah, it looks just so cool. Like, for real, they're just so beautiful. So actually I've got 2 pair of paws now because of, yeah, pairs of the actually these were the pairs of the 4.0 and these were the pairs of the 1.0 and 3.0, but I will use both, so yeah. But I think on Halloween I will use mine because I made them for Halloween, so. But otherwise I will use both for the TikToks, and I'm so excited to make TikToks with him because I extra made a new account especially for Jobey. So I will make on this account TikToks with him and not on my original. Okay, on my original also, but on this account only Jobey. And animation, because I made a few animations with him. My parents are so... She's always talking bad about me. Just need to be silent because my parents are aggressive. He's so warm. Okay, guys. Oh, also from the back so that you can see everything. I try him on. You know, also I have another problem. These straps here don't fit my head because my head is big and not small like Coda's head. She's an ugly person. I have a big head. I have a big head. I hope I don't ruin my makeup because it's, yeah, my makeup. I hope it's not broken, but I hope it don't. I hope it's not broken. He's so beautiful and so pretty. I need to fix the head. I need to fix the head a bit because otherwise I can't wiggle the ears because it's not stiff on my head. You see? That's not working this good with the ears. And I need to be careful because some people say that the teeth are really, like, you need to be careful with the teeth because they're breaking easy. And that's true because there are 2 broken. And because the teeth break so easy, I put super glue on it so now it won't break, and plus they're shiny. Yeah. And so, like, for real, it's so cool. And now I will try Coda's paws on. It's extremely difficult to get it. But no, I fixed that I can get it easy. This is so funny. Like, for real. This is much better than a dino mask. And easier to wear, and you can breathe. Most important thing. Anyways, these were these paws. And now my paw. These are my paws. I made them, but they're inspired by Cody, of course. But you see, this is the only problem. I can't get the claw out. I tried everything, but but I can't get it out. My mom told me if you would pull it out, it would break, so it's breaking. Now Jobey's got another hot mom. And that's great. Yeah. It's just so amazing. I'll make a lot of TikToks with him. So anyways, thank you so much for watching this amazing unboxing with all that stuff. Like, for real, Cody, I'm so thankful. This is so amazing. Every single part and every single thing. Thank you so much. So yeah, I'm really thankful, and you can always check out my social medias and follow me if you want to see more of this content, furry content. And yeah, also, fun fact, no, it's not a fun fact, but it's a fact. My account was banned from TikTok with no reason at all. But anyways, just follow my new account and my back account. TikTok deleted my account, and then when I made a new account, TikTok also gave me a warning on that account, and I did nothing wrong. Literally nothing. Okay? On the new account. On the old account, I made some sexy videos, but everyone does that, and they will not get banned, and I get banned. For what reason? Just the reason that I am my fucking self. For real. Thank you. Really. TikTok. Thank you. There are so many fursuits which make that content. Why me? Anyways, it's not important, and I really hope you follow all my accounts and you follow me here so that I can make more videos for you and more content for you. And just tell me what you wanna see. Just tell me which video I should do next. Tell me what you want to see. If you wanna see a vlog with my fursuit when I go out and the people watching. If you wanna see, I don't know, more unboxings, just tell me let me in the comments know. And just let me know in the comments. And yeah, and now it's coming, my new outro. I've made that outro myself, so don't steal. Thank you. Yeah, because you know, a lot of people steal my designs and my artwork because I got better and I make animation now, so you will see it in my outro.